We've been looking for an affordable, new construction, four-sided brick home in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. In this video, we're going to take a tour of this new construction home. It says 1602 floor plan by Adams Homes. If you are new to our channel and you want to know everything about living in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the real estate market right here in the Greater Greenville area. Hey, it's Victor. I'm out here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people build generational wealth by guiding and supporting them as they buy their dream home and sell at the highest price. And we would love to do the same for you as well. So whether you're looking to move in the next 10 days or in the next 100 days, go ahead and reach out to us. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move right here in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. All of our contact information are in the description box below. All right, let's check out the 1602 floor plan by Adams Homes. It's a four-sided brick home. They do have sidewalks in the community, and as you can see, the garage doors are, not the typical white garage, white trims, so it's a little bit different. And 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, front porch here. As you come into the home, nice small foyer here, and it's got the crown molding. Luxury vinyl plank in the living areas, and then the bedrooms have carpet. All right, so to the left here, nice little touch here, having the window, let in some natural light so it's not so dark in this area. Bathroom here, so that's your second bath. And one of the bedrooms here, so bedroom number 1, closet. As you can see, it does have carpet in here. And bedroom number 2, check out the closet in this one. Okay. All right. And ceiling fan, really high ceilings here. We'll check out the primary bedroom while we're on this side. Tray ceiling in the primary bedroom here, and walk-in closet. And then over here, you got the ensuite bathroom. And right here you have the water closet, double sinks. And you got the pull-outs drawers here, as well as these are soft close drawers, and the cabinets as well. Brushed nickel fixtures, large shower there with a little bench. I think that's probably like a 5-foot shower, maybe something like that. So you have a couple of different ways to get in on this side. So you got the little dining room area over here. Granite countertops, you got the little peninsula, so you can, if you wanted to, you could put a couple of bar stools here maybe. Single bowl sink. Again, you got the pull-out soft close drawers here, and the soft close cabinets as well. The gas range, built-in microwave. And the microwaves, according to the rep here for Adams Homes, these are all piped to the outside. Not 100% sure how it must be inside of the wall, because there's nothing above the cabinets there, so it must go inside the wall and out. So subway tile backsplash there. Small pantry, closet, and laundry room here. And this takes you into the 2-car garage. The access to the attic is right up there. Water heater is right here. So as you come out this way, you can go either way to get into this kitchen area. So you got coat closet here, All right, so the blinds are built in to the door here, which is really cool to, let in some natural light, have that glass door. And nice size covered patio here. Pretty good size. And it looks like the neighbors putting the fence up. Decent size lot here. Okay, that neighbor already has a fence. So if you bought this home, all you have to do is just ask your neighbors. Maybe they'll let you just connect to theirs and you just close it in. You already have two sides that have fence. Like I said, it's four-sided brick, so you can see that there. All right, so if you are interested in this home, or if you know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in our area here, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or you can visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com.